In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, so make sure you are using an account with permission to install apps and change settings. Once you are in the admin area, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. It is the gear icon near the bottom of that menu. Settings is where Shopify keeps your store-wide configuration options, including the area where you can add official integrations. Inside Settings, click Apps and Sales Channels. This section is used to manage the apps you have installed, along with the sales channels connected to your store. From here, you can add new apps safely through Shopify. Next, click the Shopify App Store button in the top right. This will open the app marketplace in a new view, where you can search for the integration you need. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. In the results, look for the app developed by Shopify. Choosing the official app is important because it is built to work smoothly with Shopify and is the standard way to connect your store with Google services. When you find it, click Install. Shopify will then take you to a confirmation screen. On that next screen, click Install again to grant the app permission to access relevant store information, such as product and order data. This access is necessary for the Google integration to function correctly. After installation, return to your Shopify admin. You should now see Google and YouTube listed under the Sales Channels section in the left sidebar. Click it to open the app. Inside the app, select Connect Google Account. When prompted, sign in with the Google account you use to manage your business. This should be the same account connected to services like Google Analytics, Google Ads, or Google Merchant Center, so everything stays under one workspace. Finally, review the permissions request and allow access. This step lets Shopify communicate with Google services, so your store can send the data needed for tracking and reporting. That covers everything you need to know.